Wittenberg Academy, Elementary Latin. The book is Minimus. We are on the second part of chapter 8, page 50, A Visit to the Doctor. When Lepidina and Flavia get home, they find Flavius in a terrible mood. He has sore red eyes. Lepidina takes him off to the doctor. So some new vocabulary on page 51. Discumba.
Discumba.
Lie down. Oculos aperi.
Oculos aperi.
Open your eyes. Impona.
Impona.
Put something on. Tris per diem.
Tris per diem.
3 times a day. Consume.
Consume.
Means eat. Bis per diem.
Bis per diem.
Twice a day. Gratias agimus.
Gratias agimus.
We give thanks. So that literally means agimus, we give, or we lead, we give thanks. Very good. All right, to our picture. Number 1. Salve.
Salve.
Salveta.
Salveta.
Hello and hello. Venite, sedeta.
Venite, sedeta.
Come in. Sit down. Yeah. Flavius explains that his eyes are sore. The doctor wants to examine them, of course. Discumba.
Discumba.
Lie down. Oculos aperi.
Oculos aperi.
So open your eyes. The doctor examines Flavius's eyes. He has an infection and will need an ointment and some pills. Impone tris per diem.
Impone tris per diem.
So what does that mean?
Put it on 3 times a day.
So that refers to the ointment, of course. Consume bis per diem.
Consume bis per diem.
Which means?
Eat this 3 times. Twice a day.
Eat this twice a day. Very good. And that's, of course, the pill. Gratias agimus.
Gratias agimus.
We give thanks. We give thee thanks. All right. So there's a nice picture on page 51 of various instruments. The doctor at Windolanda might have used some tools like these. The palettes and mixing tools were used to mix eye medications like Flavius's ointment. The scalpels were used in operations. The doctor might have used the hooks for pulling out tonsils. If we see a doctor, he or she tells us what to do to get better. The doctor at Windolanda did the same for Flavius. Can you find all the words the doctor says which are commands? Which of these words are commands?
Discumbe, oculos aperi, impone, consume.
The exclamation points are kind of giveaways, aren't they? Yeah, those are the imperatives, the commands. Write them down in Latin. You're already going to write them down in Latin. You're going to put them in your flashcards or your notebook. You're going to study them and learn what they mean. Flavius is having trouble seeing because of his sore eyes. Rufus and the other children look closely at Flavius's eyes and are pleased when the ointment starts to work. Meanwhile, Candidus tells them a story about a giant with only one eye, the Cyclops. Cyclops. Well, in English we usually say Cyclops, but again, C's are all hard, so Cyclops. You can read all about that. And down at the bottom of page 52, these are all review. You should already have all these in your vocabulary list, and you simply need to study them. And we're at the end of an even-numbered lesson, so of course we'll have a quiz over chapters 7 and 8. That does it for this chapter.